It's Cody here at Guy's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota, showing you a 2021 Jayco J-Flight 28 RLS. This is a 32-foot, 5-inch trailer with a gross vehicle weight of 8,800 pounds, empty weight 6,600. If you look at the exterior here, we have aluminum siding. The front door here goes to the bedroom, 3 steps. You got the electric awning with the speakers built into the end. You have your black tank flush, your heater exhaust, your freshwater fill, cable satellite, outside TV mount, outside outlets, hot water heater, door to the living area, foldable grab handle, and then you have the electric stabilizer jacks, your 30 amp power supply, spare tire, ladder to the roof, and this also comes pre-wired for the backup camera, big back window. Come over to the driver's side here, you got your cable satellite hookup as well, city water connection, outside shower, big slide out, your black and gray water holding tank, and then a door for the pass-through storage as well on this side. Front of the trailer has 2 30-pound propane tanks and an electric tongue jack. If we walk inside the trailer here, we'll take the door to the living room. So as you walk in, you'll notice you have a hide-a-bed couch straight ahead of you. You have 2 recliners and a stand in the back. Overhead storage, LED lighting, ducted air conditioning. Dinette. Dinette will sleep to. The hide-a-bed will also sleep to. Storage underneath. .32-inch television, and then you have the IRV Technologies DVD player, Bluetooth radio. A little more storage underneath. Next to the refrigerator, have a nice sized pantry. Stainless steel 8 cubic foot fridge. Now this is the 12-volt system, so it will run off a solar panel on the roof. No more gas electric on this unit. Nice sized refrigerator. Stainless steel microwave. You got the 3 burner cooktop, and then you also have the oven as well. Have a nice 2-place sink with the removable shower or removable wash head. Storage above the sink. 4 drawers and storage as well. You have your breaker box, so you got your 12-volt fuses, and then you have your 110 circuit breakers. Go to the front of the trailer here, you'll have your bathroom, nice stand-up shower, skylight. You have a medicine cabinet, bathroom sink, storage, and then of course your toilet. Go into the bedroom, queen size bed. You have linen sculls on both sides here, and then you have above storage as well. This will be the control solar charge controller that controls and tells you how much battery life you got left and how well your solar panel is charging.